The animal kingdom is home to countless species, some of which are incredibly rare and often seem like mythical creatures. While some animals are endangered or facing the threat of extinction, there are a select few whose appearances are so infrequent that they are often considered to be born once every 1,000 years. These creatures are so elusive and remarkable that their existence captures the imagination of scientists, conservationists, and nature enthusiasts alike. Here's a look at 20 of the rarest animals that are said to be born once in 1,000 years. Number 1. The monkey pig. A rare and bizarre piglet with a striking monkey-like face has recently become a local sensation in southwest China's Guizhou province, captivating the attention of visitors from near and far. Born earlier this month, the piglet's appearance is truly unique, with facial features that closely resemble a monkey, including a pronounced snout, wide-set eyes, and a distinct, almost human-like expression. Its unusual appearance has led to widespread curiosity, and the piglet has quickly gained celebrity status, attracting a steady stream of onlookers eager to witness this fascinating anomaly. Locals have been left in awe of its resemblance to a primate, and the piglet's newfound fame has sparked debates about genetic mutations and animal abnormalities. Although such occurrences are incredibly rare, this particular case has ignited conversations about the potential causes behind the unusual features. Number 2. Black lion. The black lion is one of the rarest and most mysterious creatures ever rumored to exist, with sightings and reports being so scarce that many believe it to be a myth. Unlike the common tawny-colored lions that roam the savannas of Africa, the black lion is said to possess a deep jet-black coat, giving it an almost supernatural appearance. Some researchers suggest that if such an animal were to exist, its unique coloration could be the result of a rare genetic mutation known as melanism, which causes an excessive production of dark pigmentation, similar to what is seen in black panthers. The idea of a black lion being born once in 1,000 years has fueled countless legends, with some cultures regarding it as a divine or mystical being, a symbol of power, strength, and mystery. Number 3. One-eye albino shark. Imagine an incredibly rare creature that appears only once in 1,000 years. A one-eyed albino shark. This extraordinary marine anomaly is a breathtaking sight, combining two of the rarest genetic mutations known in the animal kingdom: albinism and cyclopia. Its skin is a ghostly, pure white, completely devoid of pigmentation, making it stand out in the dark depths of the ocean. Instead of the usual two menacing eyes that sharks are known for, this one has a single large eye positioned at the center of its forehead, giving it an eerie yet fascinating appearance. Cyclopia is an extremely rare congenital condition that occurs in various species but is almost never seen in sharks, let alone combined with albinism. Unlike normal sharks that rely on their camouflaged skin and sharp eyesight for hunting. Number 4. Crooked-neck giraffe. This unique giraffe, which was first documented at the Santa Barbara Zoo, has a distinctively curved neck due to a genetic mutation or a developmental abnormality, setting it apart from its counterparts. Unlike the typical giraffe with its long, elegantly straight neck, the crooked-neck giraffe's unusual anatomy poses both challenges and adaptations in its survival. While it may struggle with browsing at the same height as other giraffes, it has been observed to develop alternative foraging techniques, often feeding at lower levels where leaves and vegetation are more accessible. This peculiar yet fascinating creature is a testament to nature's unpredictability and resilience. The Santa Barbara Zoo, renowned for its dedication to conservation, research, and education, plays a crucial role in studying and preserving such extraordinary animals. The crooked-neck giraffe has drawn widespread attention. Number 5. Albino gorilla. The albino gorilla is one of the rarest and most fascinating creatures ever recorded in the animal kingdom. The only known albino gorilla, named Snowflake, was a western lowland gorilla discovered in 1966 in Equatorial Guinea and later brought to the Barcelona Zoo in Spain, where he became a global sensation. Unlike normal gorillas with dark fur, Snowflake had a unique genetic mutation known as albinism, which caused a complete lack of melanin in his skin, hair, and eyes. This resulted in his distinctive white fur and pinkish skin, making him stand out among his species. Unfortunately, his albinism also made him more sensitive to sunlight and prone to certain health issues, particularly vision problems and an increased risk of skin cancer. Despite these challenges, Snowflake lived an impressive life, reaching the age of approximately 40 years. Scientists discovered that his condition was caused by a recessive gene mutation inherited from both parents. Snowflake fathered several offspring, but none inherited his albino trait. Number 6. Human-faced goat. Wonders indeed never cease. As the residents of Jomvu village in Mombasa's Changamwe constituency woke up to a shocking and bewildering sight this morning, the news quickly spread like wildfire. A goat had given birth to a miracle kid with human-like features. This rare and almost mythical occurrence sparked a blend of awe, fear, and curiosity among the villagers. The kid, with its unique facial traits that seemed eerily human, left onlookers in disbelief. Its wide-set eyes, finely structured face, and oddly shaped ears made it look like something out of a sci-fi movie or an urban legend. This bizarre birth has left many pondering the possibilities of science and nature, colliding in ways that defy explanation. The human-faced goat, often accompanied by myths and folklore, typically appears with human-like eyes, nose, and even a mouth, which causes confusion and intrigue among those who witness it. These animals have been reported in various parts of the world. Number 7. Croc buffalo. In a remote Thai village, the discovery of a bizarre creature has both perplexed and terrified the local population. Known as the croc buffalo, the creature was born to a buffalo, but bears the unmistakable physical features of a reptile. Its body shape mirrors that of a buffalo, strong and stout, but its skin is covered in dark, tough scales resembling that of a crocodile, and it has a long, snout-like face, reminiscent of the predator. The animal, which died shortly after its birth, has left villagers in a state of awe and fear. Videos of the creature laid out on a table for the villagers to examine show a curious crowd gathering around, touching its scaly skin while lighting candles and incense in an attempt to understand this eerie phenomenon. Some have speculated that the creature's unusual appearance is the result of some kind of genetic mutation, but the exact cause remains a mystery. Number 8. Double-headed pig. The phenomenon of rare double-headed pigs has garnered significant attention in China, particularly in rural regions where unusual animal births attract curiosity and intrigue. In June, a pig born on Zhongguo Yuan's farm in Luzhou, Sichuan, became a local sensation after being born with 2 heads, 3 eyes, and 2 snouts. This piglet, now dubbed a freak pig, has drawn crowds to the farm ever since its unusual birth. Guo Yuan, who typically feeds his pigs ragweed and avoids any other specific diet for pregnant sows, has expressed surprise at the birth, but remains somewhat indifferent to the hype. This isn't the first such case in China. A 2-headed piglet was discovered outside a Buddhist temple in Tianjin in 2024, and another similar creature was born in Chongqing last year, though it tragically passed away just days after birth. Number 9. Translucent dog. The translucent frog, also known as the glass frog, is a fascinating and rare species of amphibian found primarily in the rainforests of Central and South America. These unique frogs are named for their translucent skin, especially on their undersides, which allows their internal organs, such as the heart, intestines, and liver, to be visible. This transparency is a remarkable evolutionary trait that provides both camouflage and protection. It helps them blend seamlessly with the foliage and leaves of their environment, making it difficult for predators to spot them. Glass frogs are typically small, ranging in size from about 2 to 3 inches in length, with vibrant green skin on their dorsal side that further enhances their camouflage. Their habitat, which includes areas along rivers and streams, is crucial for their survival, as the frogs often lay their eggs on the undersides of leaves hanging over water. Number 10. Two-legged dog putol, whose name means chopped in Tagalog, is not only a beloved pet, but a living testament to the power of resilience, inspiring others to push through challenges and embrace their uniqueness. Initially left to die due to her rare deformity, Putol's life took a turn for the better when she was rescued by her devoted owner, Danilo Codilego Jr. Despite her physical challenges, Putol didn't let her condition define her. With the unwavering support of Danilo, she learned to navigate the world on just her 2 front paws, mastering the art of running with astonishing speed and agility. This remarkable dog is often seen exploring the bustling streets and alleys of Casiguran in Quezon City, where she runs joyfully alongside other dogs. Her playful and determined spirit has captivated the hearts of many, proving that even in the face of adversity, the will to live and thrive can triumph. Number 11. Red Cobra. The red cobra, often considered one of the most striking and rare species of snakes, is a mesmerizing reptile that belongs to the Elapidae family. Known for its vivid reddish hue, this cobra displays a remarkable blend of deep scarlet and orange tones, making it a sight to behold in the wild. Its distinct coloration serves as both a warning and a camouflage depending on the environment, allowing it to blend into certain foliage while signaling its venomous nature to potential threats. Unlike many other cobra species, it prefers to keep a low profile, often retreating to burrows or secluded areas during the day to avoid detection. It is a highly venomous species with neurotoxic venom that can paralyze its prey, which typically consists of small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Despite its potent venom, the red cobra is not typically aggressive towards humans, usually opting to flee rather than confront. Number 12. The winged cat. In a truly extraordinary phenomenon, rare angel winged cats have been spotted in both the United States and China, astonishing pet owners and scientists alike. According to the owners, these cats were once completely ordinary kittens, displaying no unusual characteristics during their early years. However, after about a year, the cats began to grow what appeared to be wings, transforming from regular felines into what some have called angelic creatures. This occurrence is a marvel of nature, as such winged cats are incredibly rare, and there are only a handful of reported cases worldwide. The appearance of these wings is not just a visual curiosity. There is likely a genetic explanation behind it. The most widely accepted theory is that the wings result from a genetic mutation. During the embryonic stage, these cats likely developed rudimentary limbs in the back area, but since they were considered extra, these limbs did not fully evolve into functional legs or wings. Instead, they remained in a dormant embryonic form. Number 13. Pigeonhead fish. In an extraordinary and perplexing turn of events, a group of anglers in China reeled in a bizarre and rare fish that immediately caught the attention of locals and wildlife experts alike. Dubbed the pigeon-headed fish, this peculiar creature has a head that resembles the beak and facial features of a pigeon, with some even drawing comparisons to a dolphin's snout. The strange fish was discovered in a local lake, sparking widespread fascination. Upon closer inspection, a local expert identified the creature as a deformed carp, likely the result of environmental factors or genetic mutations. While deformities in fish are not unheard of, this particular catch has raised eyebrows due to its remarkable resemblance to a bird rather than a typical aquatic animal. Number 14. White giraffe. The white giraffe is an exceptionally rare and unique animal, standing out due to its striking appearance. Unlike typical giraffes, which have patches of brown or orange against a light tan coat, the white giraffe exhibits an albino or leucistic condition, resulting in a pale, almost ghostly white coat. This rare condition is caused by a lack of pigmentation in the skin and hair, which is typically the result of either albinism or leucism. Albino giraffes, in particular, have a complete absence of melanin, whereas leucistic giraffes may still retain some pigment in their skin. The first white giraffe was discovered in Kenya in 2016, and since then, sightings of these extraordinary creatures have been rare but awe-inspiring. Due to their striking color, white giraffes face several challenges, including being more vulnerable to predators in the wild. Their lack of camouflage can make them more conspicuous, and this vulnerability has led to the sad reality of poaching, with the white giraffe becoming a target for illegal hunters. Number 15. Blue lobster. The blue lobster is a rare and captivating creature that stands out in the marine world due to its striking, vivid blue coloration. While lobsters are typically a brown or greenish hue, the blue lobster owes its unique color to a genetic mutation that causes an overproduction of a protein called astaxanthin, which binds with a copper ion in the lobster's shell. This rare mutation occurs in approximately 1 in 2 million lobsters, making them a true marvel of nature. The blue hue is so intense that it often appears almost surreal, drawing attention to the lobster's rugged, armor-like exoskeleton. While blue lobsters are not a separate species from the common American lobster, their appearance is so distinct that they have become a symbol of rarity and wonder. Number 16. The phantom jellyfish. The phantom jellyfish, scientifically known as Stygiomedusa gigantea, is one of the most elusive and mysterious creatures of the deep ocean. Its rarity and the deep-sea habitats it occupies make it an enigmatic species, often described as a phantom of the sea, due to its ghostly appearance and the difficulty in studying it. This jellyfish can grow to an impressive size, with tentacles extending up to 10 meters long, and a bell that can reach up to 50 centimeters in diameter. Its body is a translucent pale blue, which makes it blend effortlessly into the dark waters where it resides, adding to its eerie and otherworldly presence. The phantom jellyfish has a remarkable ability to survive at depths of up to 3,000 meters, far beyond the reach of most marine life and human exploration. It feeds on small plankton and fish that get caught in its long, sticky tentacles, but little else is known about its behavior or life cycle due to the challenges of observing it in its natural habitat. Number 17. Two-headed snake. The two-headed snake is one of the most fascinating and rare anomalies in the animal kingdom, captivating both scientists and the general public alike. This rare phenomenon, known as bicephaly, occurs when an embryo fails to separate completely during development, leading to the formation of two distinct heads on a single body. In some cases, each head controls a different part of the snake's body, leading to an unusual and often disorienting behavior. These snakes typically have two separate brains, which can result in a battle for control over the body, as each head may try to move in opposite directions. Incredibly, both heads might attempt to eat at the same time, sometimes even fighting over food, making their survival in the wild incredibly difficult. While most two-headed snakes are born in captivity as a result of genetic mutations or environmental factors, they have been recorded in the wild, although such sightings are extremely rare. Number 18. Two-legged lamb. The two-legged lamb, born on December 20th, 2015, in Yunnan Province's Jinping Yidai Autonomous County, stands as a remarkable example of resilience in the animal kingdom. This handicapped lamb, lacking hind legs, defied expectations and learned to walk using only her two forelegs. Her journey started just a day after birth, when she managed to stand on her own, demonstrating an incredible will to survive. Within a week, she had acquired the ability to move around, a feat that fascinated onlookers, including farm staff who had witnessed her birth and growth. The mother goat, who had given birth to two healthy lambs before her, might have been injured in the abdomen during a previous encounter with other goats, a possibility raised by local veterinarians. Number 19. Pink dolphin. The pink dolphin, also known as the Amazon river dolphin or boto, is a rare and fascinating species found in the rivers of the Amazon and Orinoco basins in South America. These dolphins are not only distinguished by their striking pink color, but also by their unique physical and behavioral traits. Their pink hue, which can vary from a pale blush to a vibrant pink, intensifies with age and is most prominent in males. Unlike their oceanic cousins, pink dolphins inhabit freshwater environments and possess a more flexible body structure that allows them to navigate through the narrow, winding rivers and flooded forests of the Amazon. They have long, slender beaks with sharp teeth, which they use to catch a variety of prey, including fish, crabs, and turtles. One of the most fascinating aspects of pink dolphins is their ability to swim in reverse, a feature that helps them navigate tight spaces. Number 20. Transparent fish. The Tethys vagina is a rare and fascinating marine creature that often draws attention due to its unusual name and its unique appearance. Known commonly as a salpa, this free-swimming oceanic tunicate possesses a transparent fusiform body, tapering at both ends, giving it an almost ethereal quality as it drifts through the water. The name Tethys vagina is derived from the ancient Greek mythological figure Tethys, the goddess of the sea and wife of Oceanus, combined with the term vagina, which refers to the shape of the creature's body. This unusual creature is often found in deeper ocean waters and is known for its fascinating biological characteristics. Despite its somewhat comical name, Tethys vagina plays an important role in marine ecosystems, particularly as part of the planktonic community, helping to regulate the balance of oceanic nutrients.